y'all, it's Kim and welcome to Kim's Farmhouse Life. Today, me and my 9-year-old son Adrian will be cleaning out our freezer. There are a lot of packages in here that are almost empty or things that really should be thrown out. I hadn't done this in quite a while. I will be using the Method All-Purpose Cleaner today. I love this scent. In case you're wondering, all of those things there are ice packs. The big white ones actually my sister gave me. She actually had a heart transplant a little over a year ago, and she was taking some medication before her transplant, and they would deliver it to her with these big ice packs. And so she gave me a few of them, and they work really good if you want to put them in like a small cooler. This part is funny. My son had the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. He had to show y'all how dirty it was. And it's kind of funny how dirty that the freezer actually gets. You know, we just put stuff in there. We don't get into it a whole lot, you know, mainly grabbing things in and out, but yeah, it needed it. I really cannot remember the last time I cleaned the freezer. I clean my refrigerator out at least once a week, but the freezer, wow, it had been a while. I hope y'all will subscribe to my channel. I am planning to do cleaning videos and organizing. I have some cook with me videos coming up soon. So subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of whenever I post new videos. Also, give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that I'm doing a good job, or at least I hope I am. And give me a comment. I love reading the comments and replying back. This little boy right here is such a helper. He loves to help, whether it be inside or outside. The only thing he doesn't like to do is clean his room. Now, if you ask him to clean his room, he can come up with a million excuses. I also have an Instagram page that you could also follow. I try to put stories on there every day and post a little bit about our life. So join me over there, just under Kim's Farmhouse Life. That was pretty gross. At first I was going to just try wiping it out with some cleaner and a cloth, but I realized I got to get over here and wash it with some soap and water and get that thing clean. Y'all, these cookies right here, my mother-in-law made. She can bake so good. She is a Mennonite, and they are very well known for their baking skills. This is homemade bread that she made. I have not mastered that. And this next thing is called Kringle. My husband was raised as a German Mennonite. They actually speak a form of German called Low German. But anyways, that's something that's really common during FOSPA, which is something they have on Sundays. Well, here's the finished freezer. Thank y'all so much for watching my video today. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful day.